How to delete YouTube channel permanently. Deleting a YouTube channel permanently involves several steps. So today we are here with a detailed guideline. So let's get started. Firstly, go to YouTube and sign in with the Google account associated with the YouTube channel you want to delete. After that, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you can see Manage Your Channel option available. Tap on it again. Now in here, look for the Customize Channel option available. Now tap on it. Once you are in the Customize Channel, in the left sidebar, look for the Settings option available there and simply tap on it. Then simply wait for Configuration panel to open. Now in the Settings menu, click on Channel. Inside Channel, simply tap on the Advanced Settings tab and scroll down and click on Manage YouTube Account. This will redirect you to your account settings. Now here, simply enter your Google password and continue with the deletion. Here you will get to see two options. I want to hide my channel, which temporarily hides your channel and content. Then another one is I want to permanently delete my content, which deletes all videos, comments, playlists and subscriptions. Select I want to permanently delete my content and confirm by checking the acknowledgement boxes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.